Hey guys, welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, we'll be learning about personal context in Claude. So when you hear about the word personal context in Claude, it simply means a creative bio for you. So instead of starting every new brainstorming session from zero, Claude already knows your world, your building rules, and basically your vibe and the tropes you hate. So this basically includes some of the factors, mainly two. The first one is a profile preference, which is like a writer's rulebook. So these are account-wide settings where you tell Claude your universal truths. And apart from that, you also have the memory. So Claude can now remember details from previous chats and build a synthesis of your ongoing work. So now let us see how you can access your personal context in Claude. So to access personal context, simply navigate to your profile picture over the bottom left corner of the screen. Then from here, simply go to settings. Now within the settings, you can see inside the general, your profile, and just below the same, you will see this option, which is what personal preferences should Claude consider in responses. So as you can see, I have added my particular details right here. And apart from that, you can also do the same with yourself as well. Now Claude uses this personal context file to remember my choices and my preferences. So apart from here, you can also set or access the memory options as well, but that is out of the scope for this video. So that was all for this tutorial. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.